It's been over 3 months since you left me. Got to know all your insides and out. You've been hiding your lies since you met me. Think that I can figure out. Were you only pretending? Down on my knees, I'm begging. All that you've stolen, heart so cold I'm frozen. How do I stay unbroken? I don't know how you could even say that you miss me, that you miss me. I don't know why you'd run away, leaving without me, leaving without me. Were you only pretending? Down on my knees, I'm begging. Look at all that you've stolen, heart so cold I'm frozen. How do I stay unbroken? I'm wearing no bruises, holding on to a lifeline. Why do you think that it's okay to keep on hurting me? I'm sick of your reasons, I'm tired of feeling. Why do you think that it's okay to keep on hurting me? Stay unbroken. Our luck started to change. We're stuck on different pages. Give up, nothing to chase. This love's coming in phases. I don't wanna say all this love is over. Baby, all this pain hits me when I'm sober. I don't wanna say I'm not staying over, but it's getting late and I can't keep pretending. I've been second guessing. I'm not broke, I'm bending. Now the sun is setting. If this love is ending, can we keep pretending? Can we keep pretending? Can we keep pretending? If this love is ending, can we keep pretending? Your heart felt like a maze. Being apart is driving me crazy. It's hard playing this game. Left in the dark, no one to save me. I've been second guessing. I'm not broke, I'm bending. Now the sun is setting. If this love is ending, can we keep pretending? Can we keep pretending? Can we keep pretending?